In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the mouse scroll speed on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar, and then go down and select where it says System Settings. On the left panel, select Accessibility, and then on the right side, if you scroll down underneath Motor, select where it says Pointer Control. And then there should be a button that says mouse options. Go ahead and select that. And then it should say scroll speed. You can go to the right or left depending on your preference. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.